And the app is going to look like this right here at the top. You see where it says RCMC Train? That is the app that you need to make sure that you have. So when you open the app, first thing you're going to see is after you've logged in, it's going to show you the things you need to do for today. So I am enrolled in a 7:45 cardio class. This is done virtually, so I'm enrolled in that. This is what my meal plan is. I have a calorie range of 700, got a protein goal of 53. I also have a full body exercise plan that was planned for me that the coaches put in. So in case I can't do the 7:45 cardio class, or I can't go into one of the offices and do the workouts there, I can click on this class right here, the full body, and I can get a workout in. Okay. These are the habits that I have. I need to drink 100 ounces of water. These are probably the same habits that you will see on yours when you're just starting out. Also, 16 ounces of vegetables, 2 fruits a day. I need to log everything I'm eating. I need to log my weight every day. And then I also want to just make sure, did I reach my protein goal? Okay. Down at the bottom here, this is really important. These are different links that we have. So this right here is your protocol link. Okay. So if you're ever wondering and you're out and about, like, can I have that? If you click on that, it's going to pop up your protocol menu for you. So here it is. So you want to always make sure the number one factor is, can I have it, right? And this is your shopping list. So if it's not on this, right, you can't have it, but it's always right here for you to, any questions you have, what am I supposed to eat? What am I supposed to have? This is your protocol list. Okay. So this is what you should be having, right? So then you also have right here, this is crucial, guys. Make sure you've joined this. This is our group, RCMC on a Mission. So you want to make sure any questions you have, anything like that, this is going to always have all kinds of stuff for you. Okay. On here, another really good pointer. You can go here to the search button up at the top where it says search in RCMC on a Mission. You can type in recipes. If I could spell it right for you. Recipe. And then protocol, right? And search, and it's going to give you all kinds of protocol recipes. So check that out, right? So if you scroll down, you will see here, I found this most amazing protocol chicken recipe. You've got a little cabbage and chicken pizza or something going on, a soup, right? So it's just another way to find some really cool recipes. Okay. So back to our app. All right. Instagram is also a great way. I would make sure you guys have liked this page, right? We show different workouts, different meal ideas. We have all kinds of fun Find Fridays, things that we have, right? So definitely another thing that you want to make sure that you have liked and followed so you don't miss out on any of those. We also do specials sometimes on there, only on there for a day. So make sure you're following that. The next thing that I want to go over now is how do you log your food, okay? So all you're going to do is hit this plus button. Let's first start about your weight, right? When you want to log your weight, you will just go to body stats right here, and you will go to body weight, right? Right there. And let's say you're going to type in you are 120, right? That's all you need to worry about. This is what you change every single day, and then you hit save. Okay, so that will automatically be saved. Right here, you can see it now. It shows your scale, and it shows that you now have 120 pounds, right? That's where your weight is gone. Every day, that's what you need to be making sure that you're doing. You hit the plus button, go to body stats, and put your weight in there daily for us, okay? Now to log your food, same thing. You're going to hit this pink plus button right here, right? Hit the pink plus button. You are going to put a meal, okay? And if you want to take a picture of your meal, that's awesome. We love that. So you could just hit picture of a meal. Let's pretend that I'm taking a picture of this protein. This is my protein shake per se. I could just take a picture of that, okay? And there we have it. Got it. You'll see up at the top, it shows that little protein shake, right? It shows the cup right here, right? We can say what's in this meal, right? We're going to say it is a shake. Type in shake. And I was hoping, does our protocol shake come up here? I don't know if it does or not. It doesn't come in here. So what we want to do instead is we're going to exit out of that. Let's go to breakfast. All right, let's exit out of that actually. Discard that. We're going to go back here. Okay, make this easier for you guys. Go to your meal. Okay, you're going to skip photo. I'm gonna go here to discover. Okay, right here, down at the bottom where it says discover in green. Okay, this is where all of our stuff is. So right here where it says today's snack, we're gonna say we're gonna do breakfast. So I'm gonna hit that, today's snack up at the top. And I'm gonna say I wanna post breakfast for the next 3 days. I know I'm gonna eat the same thing Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I drink a protein shake every day. That's what I do. So I don't wanna have to worry about trying to log this every time. So I'm gonna hit the 16th, the 17th. Up here, right here where it says snack in green, I'm gonna change that to breakfast. This is my breakfast, okay, for the next 3 days, and I'm gonna hit apply. Okay, I'm now gonna search here, shake. These are things that we've already put in the system for you guys. And you're gonna see right here, there's an RCMC breakfast protein shake, or there's an RCMC meal replacement. Okay, I'm gonna say this is my breakfast shake, so I'm gonna make sure that I get the pink mark here now. I hit that button, and then right up at the top it says log. So now when I hit log, it's now going to log that meal. Right here you see it says 1 meal added, right? When I click on that, it shows me my breakfast was my protein shake for protocol. Okay. Now let's say that I am going to maybe I want to just I want to first see what recipes that I can have that are already logged for me that I don't have to worry about it. If I go once again to hit the plus button, meal discover, and I will tell you guys the key to this is plan your day, right? So I want to plan what I'm going to have for lunch, right? So I'm going to say I want to plan lunch, okay, for the next 3 days. Okay, I'm going to eat the same thing because that is how you win this, right? Apply. And I'm going to look to see which of these looks good, right? So maybe if I just type in protocol, it's going to show me all the recipes that I'm allowed to eat on protocol right now, right? And I'm like, oh, you know what? This this sweet apple chicken salad looks really good. I'm going to have this for the next 3 days, right? And if you want to know what the recipe is, when you click on it, it's going to tell you the recipe. And this is for 1 serving. So if I'm going to have this for the next 3 days, I'm going to want to triple this recipe, right? So that's how this works for that. Okay. So I'm going to exit out. I'm going to say, yes, I'm going to have that for the next 3 days, right? Right at the top, 3 days for lunch. Okay. I put the pink check mark here and I'm going to hit log, right? And now I've already logged the next 3 days. Okay. So this is for August 15th, right? And if I go to my calendar here, you can see this is for Thursday today. When I go to tomorrow, Friday, you can see I already have 2 meals added for tomorrow. I've got my breakfast already there and my lunch already there. Okay. So you can pre-log your food, plan your day ahead of time, and make this super easy for you, right? I know I'm going to eat an apple every day in between for my snack, right? So once again, I'm going to hit plus button. I'm going to go to meal. I'm going to say this is for breakfast, or this is for my snack for the next 3 days, right? I'm going to apply it to that. Okay. I'm not going to put a photo, but I'm going to put in a apple, right? And I have weighed it out. It's not medium. I'm going to say that it is ounces, and I made sure that it was 8 ounces is what my apple was. Okay. My apple was 8 ounces, right? I'm going to hit the plus button right here on the side. So I add that. Okay. Up at the top, I now have to review. Is that right? Okay. So it says I ate an apple, right? That was 8 ounces. Okay. And I'm going to log it. Okay. So once again, we have here, I have 3 meals added now for Thursday. I go down to Friday. I have 3 meals added. And I go to Saturday. I have 3 meals added. Okay. That's how easy it is to pre-log your food. I'm going to tell you, you want to win this battle. You want to make logging easy. This is how you do that. Okay. And then same with your workouts. If you're ever wanting to get your workouts done that we have assigned for you, you just hit it and it's going to pull up the workout for you and you can do it right on your app. Okay. And then to go and schedule your classes, right? If you go to your home screen, just kidding. Cancel. Okay. Okay. when you go to your home screen, right here, it's going to show you your virtual classes. All you have to do if you want to book one of them is just click on it where it says book and hit book. Okay, so these are all done virtually. You're going to do them right here in the app. It's super easy. You're going to open your app up at 7 o'clock or whatever time it is, and you'll do it with us virtually, and it's freaking awesome. Okay, if you want to sign up for an in-person class, we have either in-person classes in Rancho or Hesperia. You'll pick the time that you want. So like here's a Rancho 30-minute group class today at 6 o'clock. You've got the Hesperia class. So you just hit book. All you do is hit book. It's going to bring it up. It's going to tell you what time it is at, where it's at, and then you just hit book now. Okay, and now we're booked. And now, once it refreshes, it's going to say booked. So now I know that I am booked for that class. Okay, down at the bottom, these are really important. These are your groups. Okay, you will be in a group. You'll have a few groups that you're in. Okay, one group we have an ambassador who's in charge of that group. This person has done our program already. Okay, also in that group will be everybody who's on the program. So you're going to have a huge support and community. I'm going to tell you right now, this is the #1 factor in winning this battle. Dive into that community, ask questions in there. Your ambassador has already done the program. Most have lost with us at least 50, 60, a couple of them have lost over 100 pounds. Okay, so she'll be reaching out to you, introducing herself, letting you know that, hey, she's here for you if you have any questions. But we want to make sure that you have this community, all of us on your team, and you know that you can be successful on this. So hopefully, if you have any questions, we're always here for you. But I hope that makes sense and you understand how to use our app. Hope you have the best day ever.